My version of a healthy balance is having 2 workouts.
I started splitting my workouts into 2 because life is way too easy and why not make it harder? So I do cardio 15 to 20 minutes in the morning. I find myself very energized after cardio. Just like an incline walk, zone 2. And then midday is when I do my weightlifting. I just find that weightlifting just gets me way too gassed. I need my energy for work and to enjoy the day. First weekend of the day. Cheers, showing up.
I lose my grip, brown skin glow, sweet like this. One look in the room turn slow. You move that waist like you know. My cup half full, my heart too loud. You call my name, I fade in the crowd. Beads on your wrist, feet on the towel. You make the whole floor.
No, seriously. So my version of a healthy balance is having 2 workouts and ordering someone to cook my meals. Today I have a meal from Protein Chef, grilled chicken breasts with sweet potatoes and some veggies on the side. I'm gonna actually send it over to Chef Mike at my microwave. Chef Mike will be heating it up for us. I'm just gonna plate it, heat it up, and devour this. This is how I fuel my workouts. If you guys are interested in macros, protein, I'm looking at 48 grams, carbs is 28, and fats is 7. I do get the athlete version of the meal. And I find that it's super healthy. That way I'm not having to worry about what to cook or finding the time to cook. I do work a desk job, so it kind of helps me with my day-to-day and also avoids me ordering from Uber Eats and DoorDash. Lost track of time, but that's what life is. I actually didn't have time to plate it, so I just heated it up as is. I'm gonna go ahead and devour it. Let me know in the comments below, what are you guys eating? This is the first step. Have a bite with me. Yeah. Not gonna lie, it's pretty healthy. I normally sauce it up, but I just don't have time, so I'm gonna have to eat this on the go.